In this video, I'll tell you about the different kinds of search engines. The first three are Google, Bing, and Yahoo. These are called general search engines because we can search articles, videos, jobs, questions and answers, images, and many other things in these search engines. These are the famous search engines and are also known as traditional search engines. Next, we have specific search engines like YouTube, which is a video search engine. If you want to search for videos, you can go to YouTube, search anything, and in its results, you will only see videos. Then we have document sharing search engines like SlideShare. In these kinds of search engines, we can search for presentations and PDF documents. Next, we have questions and answer search engines like Quora. Over here, you can ask a new question that other people will answer, and you can also search for the answers to the already asked questions. Then we have job search engines where we can search for jobs. We have business search engines like Yelp, where you can search for a business and find more information about it. So these are some kinds of specific search engines, and there are many more. The next category of search engines is called local search engines, which are popular in a specific country, like Yandex, famous in Russia only, and Baidu, the most widely used search engine in China only. Then we have privacy-free search engines like DuckDuckGo. Other search engines track your online habits and also your search history to show you ads. But this search engine doesn't track your search habits to show you ads. These are some kinds of search engines. Some are general, some are specific, and some are local. Massive people from all around the world visit these search engines to find different kinds of information. But if we look at the market shares of different search engines, Google has a market share of 92.05%, which is much greater even if we combine all other search engines' market share. Although we can do SEO for all types of content, like if we have a video, we can optimize it for YouTube so it ranks higher in the YouTube search. Similarly, we can optimize presentations, documents, and so on. But Google is the primary and most popular search engine, and to get traffic from search engines to your website, Google is the best choice. So in this course, we'll focus on Google and see how we can get traffic from Google. When you optimize your website for Google, you'll also get traffic from Bing and Yahoo. Although they have different algorithms, their basic working principle is the same. So in the remaining course, whenever I'll say SEO, it'll mean optimizing a website for Google.